Hey guys, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I am going to show you how I decorate my kawaii winter nails, and we're going to be putting some Hello Kitty charms. I'm going to show you how to put on kawaii charms. So first things first, I used the Amy Lee base coat, and I took these Aurora powders from AliExpress, and one is from HCS Nail Art, and I'm just taking a sponge and rubbing this in to the cured base layer. I am doing this to my pinky finger, which is a light pink, and to my middle finger, which is a blue color. So these nails are kawaii Christmas nails. I added a lot of Christmas nail art, and I added some Hello Kitty kawaii charms. So I hope you guys like these winter kawaii nails. I love them so much. I think that they came out super cute. So what I'm doing now is I'm curing those nails, putting a top coat on them and curing them up in the lamp. And then I am going to go in and add some Christmas stickers to the rest of these nails. And then we will add our Hello Kitty nail charm on there. If you guys did not see, I got that from AliExpress. It will be in my AliExpress haul video. I will try to put that in the cards for you guys. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe please. I notice a lot of you guys that are watching are not subscribed. I do have tons of nail reviews coming up. I have nail hauls. I have acrylic nails, polygel nails, everything in between. And yeah, I would love it if you guys would join the nail family where I show you how to make easy nails at home. So there's the little charm, you guys. I'm going to show you how I apply little kawaii charms to the nails. First thing that I'm going to do is top coat these nails. I am using Amy Lee's HEMA-free no wipe top coat. If anybody has allergies, this is a really good top coat, and it doesn't have HEMA in it, which is an ingredient that can cause a lot of allergies in a lot of people. Let me know, you guys. I feel like my top coats lately are not as shiny as they used to be. Let me know what your guys' favorite top coats are. I just got Model 1s and I wasn't super impressed with it. Let me know, you guys. I would love to hear down below your favorite super shiny top coat. So here's how I apply kawaii charms. First things first, I went in with that wet top coat, and then I went in with Amy Lee HEMA-free Builder Base, and I applied a big dollop of that right over the no wipe top coat without curing. That is the key. These charms will last in place. They will not budge. They will not move, and they are super easy to get off because gel does have a bend to it. So it will be easier to get off than if you were to use a resin. So what I'm doing now, you guys, is going in with these really pretty, like, iridescent AB pink crystals, and then I'm going to go in with the pearl on top of that, and then some caviar beads around. I'm going to do a little design also on top of the nail, and you guys, that is how you apply kawaii charms. It's super easy. Yeah, and that will stay in place. And I didn't cure this yet, so you can even see the hold without me curing it. And this charm, you guys, is pretty light for kawaii charms. I feel it's pretty light. It does have a little bit of weight, but really it's pretty light. If you want to see where I got it, check out my AliExpress haul. I do have a giveaway going on, you guys. Make sure you're subscribed. And yeah, I'm absolutely loving these winter kawaii nails. They're so cute. I used some pinks, blues, then I used some glitters, and I am going to be applying some Christmas stickers on top of it. Sorry for the shaking there, you guys. I did get those Christmas stickers in my AliExpress haul as well, if you guys would like to check that out. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys keep on watching. I am finishing to apply the crystals on this nail, and then once I do that, I'm gonna give it a good 60-second cure. So you guys, here are the nails out of the lamp. They're looking super, super cute. I love them, and I did show you guys here. I applied these stickers that I showed you from AliExpress. I applied some cute little teddy bears and snowflakes. I really, really like these nails. I hope you guys do too. Make sure to follow the channel. Comment down below again, what is your favorite top coat if you guys like winter nails. And yeah, I am top coating here again with, this one is Valentino No Wipe top coat. I'm giving the nails a nice layer of this, and then I'm going to cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds. And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.